And the winner is, for the 2024 Battle of the Blends, Courage Cask. So team, well, who was on that? Blendery, Russ Cobley, Aaron Johnson,
Jimmy Gibbs the second.
Jimmy Gibbs. That's a good team there. So congratulations, guys. You were the overwhelming favorite. So if you can see here, so nobody voted you less than second. Everybody said it was either the best or second best across the board with 5 judges. So lowest score wins, so that totals 7. Runner up is Cork Soakers 2. Very good bottle also. Third place was Buttery Smooth Opulence. Those were guys out of Missouri. So they got 3rd place, and then 4th place was the Dram team. I called Chris this morning, told him I owed him a handshake, a firm handshake for the 4th place. Yeah, so I'll read some of the notes that the finals judges said for Courage Cask. So on the nose, we've got pear, nutmeg, savory spice, bright, clean, woody, and subtle sweetness. So sounds delicious. And then on the palate, we've got vibrant cherry, sweet oak, vanilla, red delicious apple, new oak, and light roasted coffee. Pretty cool. Then on the finish, clean grains, oak, slightly nutty, dry sawdust, pepper spice, unique and consistent, bright and sweet wood characteristics. So pretty awesome tasting notes. That was for Courage Cask. So huge shout out to all the judges and everybody involved with Battle of the Blends. So another successful years in the books. People are already talking about next year, but this was really cool. We're gonna scale that up. We're gonna make however many we can, maybe 75 bottles of that, and we'll have that on the website available, and $25 of every bottle purchase for Courage Cask will go back to the charity. I think we're hovering close to around $32,000 raised for the charity, so hopefully this will bump us up a little more and get a great bottle for everybody's right before the holidays. So thank you guys.